I finally have it. I finally have it. Oh my god. After 2 excruciating months of looking for some permanent, no, semi-permanent hair dye, I finally found it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I didn't find it in Bali though. I actually found it in Singapore, and also it's a hair dye brand that I've never heard of in my entire life. I've never seen it. I don't know if it's good. I don't know if it's bad. I don't know if it's gonna stay in my hair or if it's gonna rinse out after 1 wash. I don't know. But I do know that today I'm gonna put it in my hair. Finally. I'm so excited. So yeah, as you can see, my hair is all prepped for the new color. I got my bleach. No, I got my roots professionally bleached at the hairdresser. Ooh, because I was being smart for once in my life. And yeah, I can finally get myself a cute hair color. Shit. And today I'm gonna give myself a little challenge, if you will, because I want my hair to be interesting. I only have 1 color though, so I have to like see what I can do with 1 color, but I definitely want to do something fun with it. I was thinking I can give myself some coon tails. Oh my god, the throwback, the nostalgia, it's insane. Coon tails, it's like stripes in your hair, and it was super popular when I was growing up, back in the day when I was emo, when I was like 14 years old. I love coon tails so much, and my hair is finally long enough that I can like dye it in my hair and make it look cool, because I've been wanting to get it for like a long time now, but I think today is the day. So yeah, let's go to the bathroom and start this amazing hair journey, which hopefully is gonna go right. Hopefully, I don't know. I'm actually not that good in dyeing hair. I don't know if you've noticed. Yo, whoa. Welcome to my bathroom. Shit. This is the hair dye that I found. I've never seen this before. The brand is xoxo and it's called Butane. Literally no clue. It's purple, because I love purple, but I also I have it in like 2 little like travel shampoo packagings. I poured it in here because I wasn't sure if I could take this with me on the plane, because you know you can't really bring like a lot of liquids. So yeah, it's kind of janky, but this is all hair dye. This is all the same hair dye. It's very dark purple. I don't know if you can see. And I think it's gonna be pretty, okay? I was thinking, yeah, let's do a like lighter section on top. Then underneath, I'm gonna do dark purple. And then the lowest part over here, this here we can draw on coon tails. Or should I do it the other way around? Should I do dark on top, then light, and then coon tails? I don't know. You know what? Let's do dark on top. Isn't it crazy how long my hair is? Look at it. Okay, so this is gonna be dark. Then I'm gonna make this into a light section. Let's put this up too. Okay. Do I want a tiny blonde piece in there as well? Maybe. Yeah, let's do that. And if I don't like it, I can just dye dark purple anyways. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. So many chicken everywhere. Look at all this chicken. Okay, let's do it. Purple! I love purple! Okay, we gotta be careful. I made it more difficult for myself with like the section there, but we gotta be careful to not dye this section and just this hair only. Here come the hands. Oh my god, those chicken! I thought they only made noise in like the morning, but for some reason they're very vocal today. I gotta be very careful around this stupid section. The color on my hands looks so different from the color in my hair. Interesting. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the dye and I'm gonna mix in some conditioner to lighten it up. And then we're gonna do the second layer. But I hope it's gonna be like this shade but lighter and not this shade. We'll see. We'll see. It doesn't even matter, honestly. Okay, let's mix it up. Yeah, it's still pretty dark. I don't want it to be dark. I need it to be light. Okay, let's do a little test strand. I feel like this is still gonna be way too dark. Let's compare to the rest of my hair. I guess it's pretty light. Let's just use this, okay? Let's just go ahead and do this. Oh my god, my hair is so long. Look how long. I love it. But I also hate it and I literally want to cut my hair every single day. Could be fun though. Should I cut my hair? Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe just enjoy this for a little bit longer. Okay, second layer is done. I think I got it all covered. Honestly, I don't even know. Wait, it's literally still blonde here. It's literally still blonde there. Oh my god. Pretty. Okay, we have reached the point of corntails. Look who came to join us. Hello boys. How you doing? Look how cute he is. Boop. Yeah, the boy, he always lays super funny. Look at this. Look at his little leggies. Dinky, how you doing? How you doing, Dinky? Anyways, let's focus on the hair. I gotta figure out a way how to do this. Like, do I just take two strands and go like this? Or do I go like this and do it like this? I feel like this two strands thing is gonna be easier. But maybe that's gonna make it uneven, I don't know. Let's just try and do it like this. It's gonna be so difficult. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. That's actually so hard to do. Because you kind of need to like pull the hair so you have more control. But I can't do that because my hands are already holding a mirror. But we shall continue. We will make it work. Okay? I feel like we're going somewhere. I don't know if it's somewhere good, but we're definitely heading towards something. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. I know it's super messy, but honestly, I kind of like the vibe already. Like, it's kind of cool. It's kind of lit. So I'm just gonna, now, since I have the outlines, I think now it will be fine to get it to the front. It's like this. And then I can make it a little bit better and also do the inner parts. Yeah, now I can like see what it's like. So yeah, I can see where I have to go now. Wait, I actually think that looks so cool. So cool. And again, obviously it's not perfect, but we don't go for perfect on this channel. We go for acceptable. Okay, it's done now, I think. So this is what it looks like. Honestly, it looks so cool. Look how cool it looks. That actually looks fire. So I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair for a little bit. I think like, let's do like 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna rinse it out with cold water. I'm gonna be very careful to not make it like bleed. And then I can show you the end result. But yeah, oh my god, I hope it's gonna look cute. I hope it's gonna look cute. But I do feel like it's gonna look cute. Maybe. Let's hope so. Okay, let's go. Hey! Oh my god! Look at my hair! It's actually so pretty. Wait, look at it. Look at this. I did that all by myself. Oh my god. Oh my god, I actually love it so much. It's so cute. Look at it. The hair dye definitely did bleed into the blonde parts though, so the difference isn't that intense right now, which is kind of sad. But still, I still think it's pretty. It's pretty cool. So let me just take this off. You can see what it looks like normal, because it is very, you can definitely see it, but it's also kind of like hidden, which honestly vibes. I'm so happy I have purple hair again. But yeah, I honestly think it looks super cool and I'm very happy with the end results. And I will now refrain from swimming in pools and in oceans, because I wanna have this hair color for a little bit. At least a month. That will be nice. Okay everybody, this was today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you like my new hair color. I hope you like my coon tails or raccoon tails. I don't really know how do you call it? Because I used to always say coon tails, but I feel like everybody now is saying raccoon tails. Yeah, you get what I mean. You get what I mean. Anyways, yeah, let me know what you think. And I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, thank you for watching. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao.